Hi friends, this is Donzella. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have had some leftover sloppy joe mix, and so I decided to make some sloppy joe, crispy sloppy joe rolls. So just thank you for coming back to my channel, and I have a few more to make, and so I'll show you how I did these. For the recipe for my sloppy joe mix, just check out my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks for my easy sloppy joe. So I'm taking regular flour tortillas, just regular flour tortillas. These are the soft ones, and it's the yeah, they're the soft ones. So I take a couple of scoops of the mixture that I had left over from my sloppy joes, put it in the middle, and then I'm going to take some of that American cheese, regular American cheese, and we're going to put that in the middle just like that. And we are going to fold these with clean hands. Make sure your hands are clean, whether you work them cooking for your family or anybody else. And we just want to roll these tight, just like so, and just put them down in the oil. And again, friends, I thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. If you like easy budget recipes, just subscribe to my channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. It's my YouTube channel. I'll put that mixture there. And since there's not much left here, let's see, I don't want it to ooze out, so we'll just put it in like this. We'll make it. Okay. We'll put that cheese on here, and we will bring up the sides, fold it in half, and hope you, there we go. I'm going to put this down like so. All right. And I'm just frying them in a little regular vegetable oil. And the stove down. And this is one way of using the leftovers, and for a change. And it's inexpensive. The cost of those tortilla wraps are very inexpensive. You just leave them in there until they're golden brown, as crispy as you like them. Just keep an eye on them. And the meat is already heated up, so it doesn't take but a second. Just enough to brown your tortillas. This one got a little bit too brown, but that's okay. Turn my oil off. There we go. And just drain them on a paper towel. This last thing here, I'll take this one out here. Okay. Let's move the oil out the way. And friends, so this is our these are our sloppy joe, crispy sloppy joe wraps made out of leftover sloppy joe mix. You can get that recipe off of my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. And let's see what this looks like inside. Set that right there. Okay. Let's cut this and see. And kids love these too. So when you cut it open, friends, this is what we have. This is our crispy sloppy Joe roll-ups. They're crispy, delicious, messy, very messy, made out of my leftover sloppy Joe mix that you can find on my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. And again, thank you, friends, for joining me on my channel. I appreciate you and all my subscribers, my new subscribers, and have a blessed day. Until next time.